You keep hearing about AI, machine learning, neural networks, billion-dollar companies shifting everything to automation and smart systems. But here's the part they never mention. You don't need a PhD to break into this field. You don't even need a college degree. You just need access to the right apprenticeship. And right now, 3 of the biggest names in tech, IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon, are running AI or ML apprenticeship programs that train people from scratch, pay them during the process, and drop them directly into 6-figure lanes. Let's start with IBM's apprenticeship program. This one's been under the radar for too long. IBM takes applicants from non-traditional backgrounds, no degree required, and trains them to become AI or ML engineers, data scientists, and automation specialists. You learn Python, machine learning models, data pipelines, AI ethics, and cloud deployment, all while getting paid. You'll be building projects on real IBM systems, working side by side with engineers, and getting mentorship from a company that helped invent the modern computing era. The IBM apprenticeship lasts around 12 months, and many grads go on to full-time roles starting between $70,000 to $100,000. This isn't theory. It's hands-on AI development at the enterprise level. Then there's Microsoft Leap. Microsoft built Leap specifically for people who didn't come up through traditional tech paths. If you've got grit, curiosity, and a little coding knowledge, you're eligible. Their AI or ML track takes you into Microsoft's machine learning stack, where you'll work on teams solving real business problems using artificial intelligence. It's a 16-week immersive experience, paid, backed by a global tech giant. And graduates land roles in everything from AI operations to machine learning infrastructure to applied data science. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need $100,000 in debt. You just need to get in, get trained, and take yourself seriously. And then there's Amazon AWS AI or ML apprenticeship. Part of their larger apprenticeship initiative, the AI or ML path is designed to move fast and scale hard. You'll learn how to build machine learning models on the cloud, train AI to solve business challenges, and integrate those models into real-world products. If you've got some basic coding and are ready to build, this is where you get in the room with one of the most advanced cloud platforms on Earth. Amazon is one of the few companies that doesn't just talk about AI, they deploy it at scale, and now they're training the next generation of engineers to do it too. So here's the truth. The world's been lying to you. They told you AI is only for geniuses. That machine learning is out of reach unless you went to MIT. That you had to have a degree, connections, and thousands of dollars in debt to get in the game. But that's all outdated. The new path is apprenticeships. And AI is wide open for those who are ready to learn, think, and execute. IBM, Microsoft, Amazon. The doors are open. And if you walk through them with intention, your next role could pay $100,000 plus, with global mobility, job security, and a front-row seat to the future. This isn't hype. It's forever money, and AI might be your lane.